Hey everyone, today I am going to show you a couple of filters, which filter is good for your car. So we have FRAM here, then we have quality automotive products, and we have one gold filter NAPA, and we have one NAPA performer filter. The four filter I have it. I'm gonna cut it and show you which filter is the good filter. First of all, I'm gonna cut quality automotive products. We'll see what's inside in the filter. Now what's inside, we'll see. So this is the filter. It's not bad, see, and spring here. Second, I'm gonna cut it NAPA Gold filter. We'll see what the difference between NAPA Gold and the other filters and performance. Here you go. NAPA Gold. Oh my god, gold is beautiful always. The cover is both of them same. This is the filter, the washer on the top of the filter, and the springs here. This is the spring. Now I'm going to cut NAPA performance filter. There you go. That is all of them used filters. We'll see which one looks good. It's NAPA performance. Stuck. Similar to the gold one, but I don't know, it's stuck. This is red color, this is black color. Other than that, here you go. So filters look same, however the spring, the very small spring here, and there you go. One more. Finally, I'm going to cut FRAM filter. We'll see what's inside in the FRAM filter. People love FRAM. I'm gonna cut it and show you what's inside there. Oh, cut too fast. There you go. The FRAM filter. This is the washer on top, and this is the filter. And oh, this is a broken piece inside. Oh, wow. So guys, I got 4 filters. This is the quality automotive. This is NAPA Gold. But inside the same thing. There's one more spring inside there. And this is performance similar to the Gold. Everything is same. The extra spring also here. So this open here, there's a spring. Like this. 4 filters. So please, which filter you using, comments below. I open all of them. It looks similar. The quality of the material, I am not sure which one is better, which one is which, because all of them used, all of them look same. And if you see the price, the frame may be $20, and the performance may be $8 to $10, and the gold may be $35 to $40, and the quality automotive $6 to $7. All look similar. I think you can use any filter. I suggest you can use any filter. However, it depends on a person. If you want to use gold, so here you go in front of you.